how to log out of Facebook. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Facebook app. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to log into the account which you want to log out. If you are logged in, then you'll be able to see this interface in your screen over here. So in order to log out, you have to tap on the 3-bar horizontal line in the right upper corner, and here you'll be able to see the various options like feeds, find friends, and many more. You can also create another profile, and if you want to switch to another account, then you can simply tap on drop down sign just beside the name of your account, and from over here you can switch to another account. From that way also you can log out of your account. But if you want to directly log out, then you have to scroll down below, and at the bottom you'll be able to see the logout option. So simply tap on that, and it is asked whether you want to log out of your account or not. So you have to tap on logout option, and by doing that you can see I have been logged out of my account. So by following this simple step, you can log out of Facebook. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.